If your income isn't enough right now, you're not alone. You cover your basic expenses, and still feel like you're stuck in the same place. And no matter how much you try to manage your money, nothing really changes. Because at some point, the truth becomes clear. You don't just have a spending problem, you have an income problem. So the real question is, how do you actually start earning more in a realistic way? In this video, I'll show you 6 practical ways to increase your income, even if you feel like you've already tried everything. Intro. Most people focus only on cutting expenses or saving money. But there's a limit to how much you can cut. You can reduce spending a little, but you cannot reduce it forever. Income, however, works differently. It can grow. It can multiply. It can change your entire life situation. The problem is, most people don't know where to start. So let's break it down into simple, real steps. 1. Turn your skills into income. The fastest way to increase income is simple. Use what you already know. Most people underestimate their skills. But even basic abilities can be valuable to someone else. Example. If you speak English, even at a basic level, you can help others practice speaking, teach beginners, do simple translation work. If you have computer skills, you can create simple designs, help with documents, assist with basic technical tasks. Key insight. If your knowledge solves a problem, someone will pay for it. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be useful. Action step. Write down what you know how to do. Then ask, who would pay for this? Start small. Start simple. 2. Increase income in your current job. Sometimes, the easiest way to earn more is already where you are. Example. 2 people do the same job. One earns 500. The other earns 1000. The difference is not luck. It's value. Skills. Positioning. Strategy. Improve your performance. Learn one new skill in your field. Take more responsibility. Important truth. Sometimes, switching jobs can instantly increase your income. Action step. Ask yourself, am I being paid for my current value? Or my old value? 3. Create a second income stream. Relying on one income source is risky. A second income gives you flexibility and security. Example. Someone works a full-time job during the day. In the evening, they do freelance work online. At first, they earn a small amount, maybe 50 or 100 per month. But over time, it grows. 300, 500, even more. Key idea. Small side income today can become major income tomorrow. Action step. Start with one small extra activity, freelancing, online services, small projects. 4. Simple business models. You don't need a big investment to start earning more. Some of the simplest models are the most effective. Reselling model. Buy low, sell higher. Examples, accessories, clothing, small popular items. Service-based income. Cleaning, repairs, small technical services. Key insight. Simple problems create real income opportunities. People don't pay for complexity. They pay for solutions. 5. Why most people don't increase income. Now let's talk about reality. Many people try different things, but still don't increase their income. Common reasons. 1. Lack of patience. They expect fast results. 2. No consistency. They stop too early. 3. Weak focus. They jump from one idea to another. 4. No real skill development. They don't go deep enough in one area. Truth. Income growth is not a one-time action. It's a process. 6. Is there a real way out? Yes, but it requires structure. Not shortcuts. Not luck. Real strategy. Pick one direction. Focus on it for at least 6 months. Work on it consistently, even if results are slow. Example. Someone works 1 extra hour every day. At first, nothing changes. But after 6 to 12 months, they build a stable second income source. Key idea. Income is built slowly, but it grows permanently. Conclusion. If your income feels not enough right now, that's not the end of the story. It's the starting point. If you use your skills, improve your job value, create extra income, stay consistent, your financial situation will change. Remember this. Expenses have limits. But income, if you build it correctly, does not. Engagement. Be honest, which one feels harder for you right now? A. Finding a second income. B. Improving your current job income. Comment A or B, I read every reply. If you want more simple and practical financial strategies, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.